Hi, my name is Daphne Pellig, and this is week 6 video journal. So this week's question asked, what are some areas that you would like to be or consider being a consultant in? And I'm not 100% sure if this area is necessarily something you could be a consultant in, or if it's something that I just have interest in for the school, is kind of teaming up with the activities director. So typically the people that run ASB. I just learned not that long ago that California and Washington are the two only states that offer ASB, which I found interesting and kind of critical, actually. I feel like, especially at the high school level, ASB has a lot of influence on the student body, hence why they were chosen and hence why they were voted in. Whether it's the popular kids or whether they're students that other kids just like or listen to, I think that's important to recognize. And I think as a counselor, it's important to work kind of hand in hand with the activities director and bringing positive change to the campus by having kind of a partnership or some sort of kind of consultation services with them, being able to work with them directly, kind of figure out how can we work together to really meet the goals, not only school-wide, district-wide goals that we set for our students, because a lot of what, as counselors doing, focusing on career, academic, social, emotional, are things that I feel like ASB can help with, and that could be in terms of just promoting school spirit and togetherness. I feel like then trickles into the social, emotional part of it, which then helps with the academic part of it, which then leads to the college and career part of it. So I think one part just creates that butterfly effect. So that's something I'd be interested in working more in and with. Again, not 100% sure if that's the type of consultation we're referencing, but that's something that I'd be interested in doing.